What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm pretty excited. It's been like 2 months since I've uploaded anything, and I finally got something that I want to share with you guys. I actually got this from my friend up in Jacksonville. He ordered this and it supposedly got lost in the mail. He got a refund for it, ordered a duck bill, and then in January it just showed up. He was like, man, if you want it, you got it. I had to get some parts from the store real quick just to get it installed because I don't have any right now. But this thing is pretty sick, dude. I probably should go get grass. What the f? I probably should go get gas, by the way, but Target is not that far. Gotta represent. This is usually the part where I, oh my God, the seatbelt. This is usually the part where I show my GoPro footage of me driving and just rambling on some random. But I didn't charge my GoPro, so sad boys. True move, baby. All right, guys, so I got it all taped up. I didn't know how much tape I was gonna have, so I didn't want to just use, like, I didn't want to just go from here all the way down, so I just like did in sections. And I mean, this is how I did my last spoiler, and it lasted for 2 years, so I think this is gonna definitely be, if anything, more than enough to get it on there. I made a video, I'll put a link in the description below on how I installed my last spoiler. For the tape, you want to take one side, you peel it off, and then have it just sit on the, like, outside of it. And then what you do is you place it, you know, you just have a little bit of tape to just kind of hold it on, but you put it on the trunk. And then once you have it fitted exactly where you want it, then you just go ahead and take the tape and just peel it all the way down. You have to do that for each one. I mean, if you have a lot of tape and you could do a whole line, it'll make it 10 times easier, but this is gonna be a little tedious for me, but whatever.